There are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword true. Hello, Python enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're exploring a fundamental yet powerful concept in Python programming, the true keyword. As one of Python's two native Boolean values, true plays a critical role in control flow and decision-making in code. Let's delve into the world of Boolean logic with true. In Python, true is a Boolean value representing truth. It's one of the two Boolean values in Python, with the other being false. Boolean values are used to perform logical operations, primarily in conditional statements and loops, acting as the backbone of control flow in programming. Why true? Boolean logic, the simple yet profound system of true and false values, enables complex decision-making in code. By evaluating expressions to true or false, Python can execute different code paths, making dynamic and responsive applications possible. The true keyword is indispensable in scenarios that require binary decisions. It's commonly used in while loops to create finite loops, in if statements to branch execution, and as a flag variable to indicate the status or result of operations within functions. Let's examine a practical example to see true in action. In this snippet, we use a while true loop to continuously prompt the user for input until they decide to exit by typing quit. The loop relies on true to run indefinitely, showcasing the straightforward utility of Boolean values in controlling program flow. Embracing the true keyword and Boolean logic in general allows you to craft more logical, intuitive, and powerful Python applications. It's a simple concept that lies at the heart of many complex operations. Dive deeper into Python's capabilities with us. For more insights and tutorials, make sure to subscribe.